Join me as I take on the challenge of making money online without spending a single dime in this video. You'll discover various methods to earn money online without spending a dime, making it accessible for anyone looking to boost their income. Many people believe that making money online requires significant investment or special skills, which can be discouraging. This misconception often leads people to think that making money online is only for those who are tech-savvy or have a lot of capital to start with. But I'm here to tell you that's not entirely true. There are numerous ways to make money online that don't require any initial investment. Making money online can seem like a daunting task, especially when you're just starting out. You might think you need to have a lot of experience or knowledge about online business, but the truth is, anyone can learn and adapt. What's important is having the willingness to learn and put in the effort. The good news is that there are many free resources available online that can help you get started. You can find plenty of tutorials, webinars, and courses that teach you the basics of online marketing and business. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a willingness to learn. Explore practical ways to make money online, such as freelancing, affiliate marketing, and utilizing social media platforms while discussing how to get started with little to no cost. For instance, freelancing is a great way to start making money online. You can offer your skills to clients on freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Another option is affiliate marketing, where you promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. Social media platforms can also be a goldmine for making money online. You can monetize your social media presence by promoting products, offering services, or even selling your own products. The key is to find something you're passionate about and focus on building your skills and audience. Highlight a success story or powerful strategy that exemplifies how someone achieved financial success online without any initial investment. One inspiring example is Michelle Schroeder-Gardner, who started making money online through blogging and now earns over $1 million per year. Her success story shows that with dedication and the right strategy, anyone can achieve financial freedom online. She didn't have any initial investment, but she did put in a lot of effort to build her audience and monetize her blog. Today, she's a successful entrepreneur and author, and her story serves as a motivation for many. Recap the key methods discussed and encourage viewers to take action on one of the strategies mentioned. So, to recap, we've discussed freelancing, affiliate marketing, and utilizing social media platforms as ways to make money online without spending a dime. Ask viewers to comment on their favorite method or share their experiences, and invite them to check out another video for more tips on making money online. If you have a favorite method or have already started making money online, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be sharing more tips and strategies on how to make money online. If this video gave you value, please share it with a friend, hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Your support helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information. Voiceover.